Hi everyone, welcome to part 26 of the Design 2 tutorial series. In continuation of the office model we've been creating over the past few videos, today our main focus will be on how to add air terminal. So air terminal is a part of the HVAC system, right? So that automatically means that we are switching over from plumbing workspace to the HVAC system. So meanwhile, in our previous video, we've looked on how to create the grid lines and went on to create the walls, then we created the floors, then we added windows and doors and also added sanitary wares. So and connected the sanitary wares or appliances to drainage system and water supply system. So we are switching over to HVAC workspace today. So all this while we've been on the plumbing workspace. So today we are going to go to the HVAC workspace. So go to your status bar, click on the sign, the gear sign there. So click on HVAC, watch the ribbon changes. So click on by the side of the equipment here, you see an arrow. Click on the arrow, see a whole lot of category here. Click on air terminals, allow it to load. We are going to pick 600 by 600 square louver face cylinder diffuser. So in this case, we are picking the one having a neck size of 200 mm. So there are a lot of them here. We have the one on 150 neck size. So the neck size is actually where the flexible or the duct system connects to the air terminal. So in this case, you see it's labeled D1, right? So let's click outside the space to create the air terminal. So I'm going to position the first one that is created here. So I'll leave it at 0 degrees and escape. So let's assume we are allowing our supply air terminal to be blue. All right. So so let's click on it and type PR on the keyboard. So the elevation is at 0, 0. So we need to make this align with the ceiling level. And assuming our ceiling level is 3 meters, so we have to change this to 3 meters, which is 3000 millimeters. Alright, so enter, escape. So uh, let's copy this. So on the keyboard type CO, type and click on it. On the Beyond the auto mode, and let's position our air terminals. Right. So turn off the auto mode. Let's move it to this side. So click on this and type CO, enter, turn on the auto mode, and let's position it on in various surfaces. So for the simplicity of this tutorial, we are only going to be looking at how to create and position the air terminals. Meanwhile, there are codes and standards that govern the sizing of these air terminals. Alright, so we need to get acquainted with the codes and standards like the ASHRAE codes and standard for um, the number of air terminals needed for sizing and everything. So you need to come up with the sizes based on various calculations that has been done. Meanwhile, our main aim is just how to create these using AutoCAD MEP and to position them. So let's make it 2 here. Okay, let's allow it to be 1 here. So click on this air terminal here and type CO on your keyboard. Copy. Click on it. Turn off the auto mode and position it here. We want this to represent the return air, but we can't allow it to have the same color as the supply. So how do we change the color? So you click, so let's create a new layer called return air. So your keyboard type layer, alright? So create a new layer and label it return air. Return air. Change the color to magenta and click OK. Exit from the layer. Then click on the air terminal we want to change to the return air. So click on it, type PR your keyboard and change the layer to return air. So the color has changed. Alright. So click on it, CO, enter. So let's copy and paste it in various locations. So I want it here. So this I will allow this to be somewhere here, and then we are good. So we've been able to create some air terminals, both return and supply. So our tutorial for the ends here. Don't forget to like and share my videos. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll be the first to be notified when a new video comes up.